As someone who grew up with a very bad tanning problem, very bad, I find it quite hilarious that I got a package from Suntan City. Now back in Georgia, I would use Palm Beach Tan, but here in Nashville, we have Suntan City. I always pay for a year membership of like unlimited spray tans, right? Here, let me give you the little backstory, but I'll be quick because trust me, I got a little pea brain too. The attention span, it's not there. So I've lived in Nashville for like 4 years and every year I buy this, right? So then like tell me, it's like an August day and I'm like walking in one day and they're like, hey, your yearly membership is 20% off. Do you want to go ahead and get it? And I'm like, okay, sure, why not? Because they know that I get it every year. So then tell me why 2025 came around, like after January I go in and they're like charging me. And I'm like, what did I pay like $700 for back in August? Well, I guess it was 20% off, so it was half that. Not half, it was 20% of that. Anyways, they're like, so it was just this whole debacle. I don't even remember because it was just literally the most stressful thing ever. So I just made a story and I'm like, at Suntan City, we need to talk. Like, can I get in touch with management? Never even said what it was about. And they literally DM'd me so quick and they were like, yes, bestie. And I was like, oh my God. Explained the situation to them and they helped me out. And I was literally about to go to war because I was like, why are they having me pay another $900 for a year when it was like, why was I like being told to pay back in August when it was 20% off? What was that even for? Like, what am I paying? Anyways, we sorted it all out. And I guess they sent me this as like a token of apologies, a token of gratitude. I don't know. I was like, I'm a loyal like spray tanner. Like I'm not about to pay double. I'm like, you can't fool me. Anyways, they were really great and they fixed it. So let's unbox together. Get back, stay golden. Now listen, tanning beds are awful for you, so don't use them, kids. Like I said, I'm an avid spray tanner. This is a sunless tan extender with coffee seed pure caffeine. Y'all, I remember these lotions. Like I said, I grew up always tanning back before I knew how bad it was. And I would go in, they knew, even when I would like literally didn't even have a job and I was a high schooler, and I would go in and they would just like push products on me, and I understand it was their job, but I'd be like, I'm not buying any. So now I can really be like, sorry, I already have them. This is the triple threat. I was always getting the Snooki and the JWoww. Literally my mom would like put tanning lotions in our like Easter, Christmas stockings and Easter stuff. Okay, this is the CC Sunless Primer. Do need a good primer for spray tan prep. I got some cozies. Yo, we in there, Suntan City. Yo, yeah. Hemp Nation. My sister used to love this stuff. It'll always remind me of her. Moisturizing body wash with hemp seed oil. What a slay. Oh, I got a handwritten note. Wait, I'm crying. Christy, we hope you love the products and goodies. Your support means so much to us forever. Our spray tan queen. With love, Maddie Cecil. Social media. You guys are hilarious. I'm so glad we sorted it out because I was like, listen, I'm not going anywhere. This is a facial primer. So just for your face specifically. Oh my God, I got a little clip for my bag of chips. Yeah, official. We got Suntan City stickers and a little pin. Now I moved recently and there literally isn't one by me, but you best believe I do drive 20 minutes, 25 minutes some days, depending on traffic, to get my weekly spray tans. And we live, laugh, love Suntan City. Thank you for sorting it out. It honestly wasn't even a problem. I think it was just, they said it was somebody who was new and just like in the system it didn't. We don't have any beef basically, but I wanted to open that because this is so cute. I got a PR package from my tanning salon. We in there, yeah. Love you, Suntan City STC Spray Tan for Life Versa Double Dark Clear Versa Pro.